Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crochet this cute mesh pouch for your phone. This is very easy to make and can be done in 1 hour. These are the materials I need to make this bag. I'm using this scrap yarn. This is very thin, so I'm going to use 2 strands of yarn. Start by making a slip knot and then chain 23. This chain is going to be the width of your pouch, so measure it according to your phone. Now for making a chain, yarn over, pull through the loop on hook, yarn over again and pull through the loop again. This is chain 3. You can count the chains. Chain 20 more to reach the desired length. Now make a row of double crochet. Count the chains from the hook. Make DC into the 4th chain. Don't count this loop on hook. 1 2 3 4. Yarn over, go into 4th chain. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now skip next 2 chains and chain 2. Now make DC into the 3rd chain. Again chain 2, skip 2 chains and make DC into the 3rd chain. Repeat the same till the end of the row. After making last DC, there is 1 chain left. Make 1 DC here. Start second row with chain 3. Now make a stitch into the first DC stitch, this one. The last stitch will be the top of chain 3. Now I am done with 21 rows. It's time to make the top row. For making the top row, I am using a single strand of yarn. chain 3. Now make 4 DC into the stitch space. Carry these strands of yarn by making stitches over these. Now slip stitch on the top of this stitch, this one. Go into this stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop. This is slip stitch. Chain 3 again and make 3 or 4 double crochet stitches in the next stitch space. Continue this process till the end of the row. Now fold the rectangle and sew the side. Now weave in the ends. Hide these yarn pieces into the stitches. I am again attaching double strands of yarn for the strap. I will chain 100 for making a strap. You can chain any length you want for your strap. Also share your thoughts on this pouch. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe.